Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be talking about how do I find out when was my table created, how much space does it consume, and how many rows are there for each individual table. So let me take me to the SQL Server Management Studio. Over here, I've connected to Adventures Workbook database. If I double click on my tables, I would like to understand the attributes of all these tables like the schema, the number of rows count, the index space, and all other different attributes as well. So instead of having random scripts generated for them, what I have to do is simply click on the tables and use Control plus F7 key. Now this will give you the Object Explorer details over here. Now I have to simply right click on the name next to that. This is my table names. I'll just click on schema. That will give me the schema name. I click on create date. I can also add something like data space use. This is in KB. I can also find out the row count. So there you go. All those details in a single window. Thank you for watching.